Welcome aboard. My name is Anki Doris Ombat. Now, in the top story this afternoon, the High Court has declared the new Social Health Insurance Fund, SHIF, unconstitutional in yet another blow to the government. In a ruling delivered moments ago, a three-judge bench constituting Justices Alfred Mabea, Robert Limo, and Frida Mugambi said there was no public participation in the coming up with the new healthcare program that seeks to phase out the National Health Insurance Fund, NHIF. According to the trio, the new health insurance program would burden a few salaried individuals by creating a disparity in the contributions. Parliament has, however, been given 4 months to correct the legislation. Well, at least 10 people have been killed after a Nairobi-bound bus rammed into a stationary trailer at Katumba Trading Center on the Garissa-Mwingi Road. According to Bangal Sub-County Police Commander Ephraim Karani, the accident occurred when the driver of the bus attempted to overtake another vehicle. He was unsuccessful in his mission, prompting him to get back